Hi guys! So for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now that we have chained 15, for row 1 on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain throughout row 1. Here for row 1 we have 14 half double crochets. Now for row 2 we'll turn our work around and then I'll chain 1, then right there through this first half double crochet, which is our second chain from the hook, I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain throughout row 2. For this row as well we need to have 14 half double crochets. Repeat row 2 until we have 17 rows in total. Now for row 18, through his next chain I will make a slip stitch. Through the next chain I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. For row 18 we are decreasing 2 stitches, so we'll have 12 half double crochets instead of 14. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now for the rest of our rows we only work in these 12 stitches. Now for row 19 I'll turn my work around, I'll chain 1, then right here to this first half double crochet chain, which is the second chain from our hook, I'll make 1/2 double crochet. In the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. In the next chain 1/2 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain throughout row 19. So this completes row 19. So we repeat row 19 until we have 23 rows in total. My work is 9 inches. And now at this point I'll chain 1 and then I'll cut this yarn. So right here from the end of this row I'll work around all the way to here at the beginning of this row. So I'll chain one. Now through the same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. It's not really a chain, it's just where we have turned our work, but we have to make it 1/2 double crochet through each of these loops, what appear to be like chains but are not chains. Just make sure they're not too close to each other or too far apart. Just use your judgment. We just repeat this until we reach this corner right here. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain all around our work. So just remember, we are not working all the way around because this part right here is going to stay open. And now for row 2, I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 1, then on the second chain from the hook right there to the first half double crochet chain, I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain throughout row 2. So we're just making 1/2 double crochet through each chain. We repeat row 2 until we have 9 rows in total, and that is for the side of our slipper. So see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I will chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this is what we have so far. Now we have one more row. So right here there is first half double crochet chain. I will insert my hook, wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through, chain 1. Through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 10. So yeah, we just continue making 1 single crochet through each chain. So now that I'm at the end of this row 10, right here to this last stitch, I'll make a slip stitch. And I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now, I'll take this right side and I'll fold it in half, just like this. And then I'll take this left side and I fold it over the right side, just like that. Now I will join these corners together with a yarn needle. Point, you can just leave your slipper as it is, or you can make a bow or a flower or a pom-pom, whatever you choose, and then you can attach it to this section here, and that will actually bring these two sides even more closer. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do something else. I'm just going to use yarn. And then I will join these two sides with a yarn needle. See, you just have to put it on your foot and see how it looks on your foot, and you can sew it however you like. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.